This
about cost
conference will now
estimation
be
in
recorded.
construction project. This presentation will last for approximately 50 to 55 minutes. And in last 5 to 10 minutes, I will try to answer your queries related to this session. However, if time not permit to take all questions, please do send your question by email. I will try to answer your queries. Again, requesting all of you to please keep your mic mute during this presentation. Okay, so now brief about me. My name is Ashutosh Mehta. Currently, I am working as a senior cost engineer in Dar Al Hansa, Shire and Partner. It's a leading design consultant based in Pune, India. I am also CCP, PMP, and VMA, Value Methodology Associate certified. In my 22 years of career, I have worked for design consultant, government organizations like Airports Authority of India, and developer and operator like MIL, Mumbai International Airport Limited. It's a GVK company. I'm also giving voluntary services to AEC India section. Now moving on to our presentation. What are the key takeaways from this session? Since this session is mainly focused on introduction part of estimation and costing and designed for young professionals, I try to introduce whatever fitting and can be covered in this 1 hour session, because this 1 hour session is 1 hour is very less to cover all the elements of this topic. After this presentation, I hope you will get fair idea about the classification of cost estimate, methods used in preparing cost estimates, preparation of cost database, estimate accuracy used in preparing cost estimate, contingency in an estimate, and how to present and review estimate. Okay. Before proceeding to our main presentation, this flowchart will simply explain you why do we need cost estimate in early stages, or you can say
I
early
couldn't
design
see your
stages.
screen, sir. I couldn't see your screen. Please, could you please share me?
Now you can see my screen, I guess. Everybody is seeing my screen, I guess. I'm moving to slide number 4.
Yes,
From
sir.
itself,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
couldn't see.
It's reasonable.
Okay. So okay, almost all client initiate project with an expectation of profit and financial gain. We all know that. To find out whether the project is financially feasible or not, client or client representative means I am considering it I am considering engineer or design consultant, prepare cost estimate in the start of the project and check the feasibility of the project. Client or client representative check if expenditure is exceeding to income, or income is exceeding to expenditure. If but obvious that if expenditure is exceeding, then project is not viable, and if the income is exceeding, then client probably go for the project, and client appoint architect or engineer to design the project and contractor to build it. Okay, moving on to next slide. TCM framework and cost estimating. Quickly, we will see where is cost estimate fit in the TCM framework. TCM framework session already covered and during our webinar in TCM framework by Girish. So I am not going in detail of this TCM framework. Just I will show you where this cost estimation is fitting in TCM framework. First flow chart shows that TCM framework are divided in 3 processes. That first one is the basic process, functional process, and enabling process. Under this functional process, there are 2 processes: functional process for strategic asset management and functional process for project control. Under this project control, we have project control planning, and other processes. And this project control planning contains this 7 knowledge area. And in this cost estimating and budgeting comes under this project control planning. So the purpose of including this slide is to show you how deep is the knowledge area in TCM framework by ASE International. Okay, next slide. I have included some important terminology related to this session, but I am not going in detail of this slide. You can refer to recommended practice 10S90 cost engineering terminology. It is available in aase.org website. You will find this definition and all other definitions related to cost or cost engineering. So I am not going in detail of this. You can refer to this recommended practice of ASE. Moving on to our main presentation, what is cost estimating? There are many definitions of cost estimation, but most appropriate definition provided by ASE International. It is cost estimating predicts the quantity and cost of resources needed to accomplish an activity or create an asset. And another one is cost estimating is the predictive process used to quantify cost and price the resources required by scope of investment option, activity, or project. So you will find n number of definition of cost estimation, but this ASE International definition is the most appropriate. Now, the basis of cost estimate means what are the foundation or the building blocks of cost estimate. First one is the well-defined scope. We need well-defined scope so we can estimate correctly. Means what we are trying to estimate. It's a well-defined scope. Cost element structure. This is how we organize the informations. And the third one is the historical cost data. This is very important because whenever we price our estimate, we need this historical cost data for the preparation of cost estimate. Okay. Now moving on to what is the purpose of estimate. Purpose of estimate varies as per the stakeholder needs. Generally, in construction project, we have 3 major stakeholders. One is client, another one is engineer, means design consultant, you can say, or the contractor and the contractor. So the purpose for different stakeholder varies for the estimate. First one is the owner, client. For the owner, it's a making investment decision in early stage, whether we have to go for the project or we have to close this. We have to take this project or we don't have to take this project. Negotiate and finalize the contract. Means if we have the say prices of the project, then we can say the client can negotiate and finalize the contract. And another one is to implement cost control measures during execution stage. How we are going to use this cost estimate. For engineer, means if it is a design consultant, his purpose is provide the owner with probable estimate. Means whatever client is planning, design consultant has to provide the probable estimate. If evaluate alternatives for cost control mechanism. Evaluate alternatives means how this design consultant has to evaluate alternatives for the cost. Alternatives means which alternative will give less cost or like this. Meet the budget assigned by the owner means sometimes owner or client assigned budget in the initial design stage. So design consultant has to fulfill all those requirements and meet the budget assigned by the owner. For the contractor, but obviously